Hello and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2012 Physics Past Question 38. A newly charged 12 volt accumulator can easily start a car, whereas 8 new dry cells in series with an effective EMF of 12 volts cannot start the same car because A. The current capacity is high, B. The current capacity is low, C. It cannot be recharged, D. It cannot easily be connected to the car. Now, you have two different types of batteries here of the same voltage or of the same combined voltage. Okay, you have a newly charged accumulator or lead acid accumulator, which is what is usually used as car battery. Lead acid accumulator of voltage or EMF 12 volts, and then you have 8 dry cell, okay, like your Tiger battery, with an effective EMF of also 12 volts. So both the accumulator and the combination of the 8 dry cells have EMF of 12 volts. Now, but you can actually use the accumulator to start a car, but you cannot use the new dry cells to start the car. So they are asking you for the reason. Now, the reason is because the dry cells possess a much lower current, or dry cells supply a much lower current than the accumulator. Okay, and the current is not enough to kickstart the car. Now, the reason for this is because for the 8 dry cells, okay, they offer higher internal resistance. They offer higher internal resistance than one 12 volt accumulator. So because of this higher internal resistance that they offer, they cannot supply a higher current. So that is why they have a much lower current than the accumulator. So in summary, the reason for this is because the current capacity supplied by the 8 new dry cells, despite the fact that they have an EMF of 12 volts, is low. So option B says the current capacity is low. So that is the answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.